Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start now, list every number you have precisely and without omission. Next, sort the list from smallest to largest. This step is essential because order determines the median. Once sorted, count how many numbers are in the list and mark whether that count is odd or even. This decision decides the next action. Make sure to include duplicates and any negative values. They stay in the sequence. You're doing the only valid preparation. Accurate list, correct sort, and a clear odd versus even check. Now determine the exact middle position. If your count is odd, compute n plus 1 divided by 2. That index points to the median value, so pick that number. If the count is even, find the two center positions at n divided by 2 and n divided by 2 plus 1. Those two numbers straddle the center. Once identified, extract the numbers at those positions from the sorted list. Make sure you're using indices that start with 1. That keeps your selection aligned with the formula. Finish by computing the median. If you had an odd count, the median is simply the middle value you selected. That's it. If you had an even count, add the two middle values and divide by 2 to get the median. This yields a number that lies between them. Once computed, verify quickly. Confirm roughly half the list is less than or equal to the median and half is greater than or equal. If not, recheck sorting and indices. Tip: when things go wrong, resort and recount. Indexing errors are the usual cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.